Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a drawing of Labubu doll in a very simple and easy way. First I am making a rough sketch using a pencil and then we can add details later on. For the doll's face, I am drawing two ovals. Then I have drawn the body of the Labubu doll, its hands and ears. Next I am making the eyes, nose and mouth. Finally, I am making the feet and the hands of the Labubu doll. Now the basic sketch is ready. Then using a black ball pen, draw as shown. We will be erasing the pencil markings in the end. I haven't edited the video much so that it is easy for everybody to understand and draw with the same pace. If you want, you can also speed up this video. The basic drawing of our Labubu doll is now ready. We can now erase the pencil markings color this using crayons. Here I am using pink and cream color crayons. Then I am using black ball pen to make the doll's eyes. And finally, our drawing is now complete. I hope you all liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.